TikTok is an excellent platform for your videos to go viral. But how can you get viral videos with AI? In today's video for the Vadoo AI playlist, we're going to be looking at 12 viral TikTok niches. Okay, so let's get straight into it. For the first viral TikTok niche, we're going to be looking at AI baby animals. And the example shows this cute little elephant on a hand, and he's very small. Now, they already have some pre-made ones here, such as a baby penguin, a tiger, a little dog, and you can actually just add in any animal you want here and it will make it cute and small, just like these here. And I've created a little video of a baby cheetah. Let's take a look. So, really nice, really cute. It's got some little animations, and even the grass is moving in the background. So this is what you can achieve, and people absolutely love this. Number 2 is AI baby catwalk. And the example here shows a little baby dressed up in a green outfit, looking really sweet. Now I've got this kind of strange one here, and my prompt was the kid is catwalking towards the viewer, camera slowly pulling out. Let's take a look. So it is similar to the other one. I'm not sure why he's got some kind of crazy red bib thing on, but this is what you can do with this particular TikTok video. The third viral TikTok niche we have is AI cooking animals. So you'll see this panda cooking, which looks really fun. And once again, like the animal one, you can choose which one you want to cook. I actually put in my own and I enhanced the prompt, which you can do. And I've got a black dragon. So let's have a look. So it looks like a female doing the cooking here, and she's mixing. And you can see that the scenery is really well captured in the background and everything blends in well with the candles. For the fourth one, we've got AI dancing illusion. So you'll see these two fish, these two goldfish or whatever they are, dancing together. Now I've got one of 2 leaf shaped figures, and it wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but have a look at this. So it's kind of mixing around on a play. They're going round and round. And then this one kind of seamlessly comes in. So it looks really nice, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for, but you could do a lot with this one. For the fifth TikTok niche, we have AI giant sea animal. So you'll see this big old octopus type animal here, and the guy's actually petting it. And this is one I've created of a giant squid. So let's take a look. You can see it's hanging off the boat. They look like they're trying to push it back in. So actually I really like this, and even the waves are moving and crashing up against the squid. So this is really cool. The next one we have is country animal. And you'll see this tiger is representing a country, although I'm not sure which one. Here's one I've created of a lion that is representing England. Now let's take a look. And he looks like a knight in shining armour. So that's basically what it is. Quite cool, but not the best one. The next viral TikTok niche is country human beast. And if I click on the example there, it will ask for a country name. You just add it in and go to proceed. I put in USA, and it's got this cool image of an eagle with huge wings and one flying behind it. So you'll see there's a slow animation, and that's pretty much it, but the image is pretty cool. The next one is country towering giant. So you'll see there's this huge giant, and it's based on whatever country that is. For my example, I put in Argentina, and it's got this really old image here with this giant, and let's have a look. Some of the people are moving slowly and in the background, which is really nice. And if that relates to Argentina, then that's pretty cool. The next one is miniature scenes, which is one of my favorites. You'll see these little guys working on this rock. They look like miners. Everything's really small. Here is one that I made, and you can see this is really effective. And that has made 2 scenes, which I'm not sure why. So I have created another video, and this is the other one. So you'll see that they're working in there. They've got kids, and really nice. Looks like a little mini pumpkin. The next one is POV or POV History. Now I wasn't sure quite what to expect here, and I kind of just randomized it, and this is what I got. So there seems to be a fight scene going on, things going on such as the flames going there, the flags moving, this samurai sword, and then it's got some Japanese type liddies. So it's pretty cool, but I'm not quite sure what to expect from that one. And next we've got POV or POV Niche. And once again, I didn't know what to expect here, but this is one that I've created here, and it's a first person POV walking through the celestial garden at twilight. Now this actually came out really well, and it's almost like a really realistic video game. And if this was real, I'd love to see this. So it's almost got like a galaxy type magical feel to it. And I like that one so much, I made another very similar magical feel. So I really like this one. The final one I want to show you is AI Hug. You'll see Ronaldo and Messi having a hug. This is one of my wife and I when we just got married and we're walking out of the church. Let's take a look. So we face each other and we're going in for a hug, but all of a sudden it looks like we're sniffing each other. So that is quite amusing. We almost made it for a hug, but it was more, do you smell nice? Okay guys, so that's it for TikTok niches. Tell me which one was your favourite in the comments. And don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you're interested in subscribing to Vadoo AI, I've left the discount code in the description below. And I've also left the link if you're interested. If you do click it, it is affiliated, which means I would earn a small commission, but you would get access to an awesome tool and I'd really appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.